Hi balloon mates! Welcome back to my channel. It's been almost a year since my last upload. In today's video, we are going to build a She's the cherry on top balloon garland. I saw this on social media and I find it really cute for a baby shower or a newborn baby girl. First, we are going to build the clusters. I inflated 6 balloons per cluster. The sizes are 10 and 19. There are no standard inflated size since this garland is an organic one. Just keep in mind that the balloon must be round, not pear-shaped or egg-shaped. I used safety pins to attach my balloons to the stand because I couldn't find my big clips. Remember that balloons must touch the floor. If they're floating from the ground, try to manipulate them, twist some balloons until you are satisfied on how they are placed. I just used 2 colors in this garland, red and shell from Jamar. I'm having problems with my arms. I couldn't do my favorite style, the neck to neck technique. So I am just attaching the cluster using 2/60s. But if you can do this using the neck to neck technique, the better, because they will look more intact. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you. Add attaching points to make your garland more secured. Continue attaching the clusters until you reach your desired length. To make the base wider, I just add balloons beside the first cluster, making sure that I'm not covering my first cluster. It is very important. I'm putting these clusters slightly behind. From here, start building upward and more inward to make a free-flowing garland without stiff edges. I added a cluster on top to make it more free-flowing. On the other side, I put some clusters to balance the look. I wanted this setup to have more pink than red. I just did the same process as the other side, but this one is a shorter garland. Then the triplet with rubber bands. I like them small, like around 3.5 inches, with the help of my not so baby anymore daughter. Now I'm going to show you how to do the cherries. Grab a red balloon. This is 10 inches, but I inflated it in 5. Take note on how I tie the neck. Push the knot where the balloon nipple is. Grab the knot and twist it like this. Don't worry about the shape because you can fix it later. Then get a green 2/60s. This is a bottle green. Twist the tip part around the knot 2 to 3 times, then tie it. Then the open part of the 260 should be free because we will put a bit of air inside it, so it will appear like a stem. Then tie it. Make another one and tie them together. For the leaves, get another 260s and inflate it like this long. It's about 2 feet. Tie together both ends and cut off the excess. Grab the center and twist them together. Then take the cherries and twist the stem around the center of the leaves. Once is enough. See how cute it is? I like this so much. To hang them, just use rubber bands. I did mention that I want more pinks than red, so I decided to put more pink balloons since red is overpowering the pink, and so the cherries are not visible enough. So I decided to add pink balloons at the bottom, at the top, and some other parts of it. Here it is, our She is a Cherry on Top balloon garland. Hope you like this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye.